Hi, I'm Dustin Lee, Head of R&D with Linex Corporation. I'm here today with Bruce Sauer at OCM Laboratory. We've contracted OCM Laboratory as an outside independent laboratory to certify our product as a final approval of stamp before we put our product onto the marketplace. Can you give us a very quickly overview of your laboratory, its capability, and some of its certifications?
Okay. OCM Test Lab has been around since 1976. Our specialty here is adhesives, composites, elastomers. There's thousands of tests that we do here.
We have submitted our linex material, XS100 for truck bed liner material, to Bruce, and one of those tests that I really want to bring your attention to is a DMA test.
This is the DMA device. It's a chamber that controls the temperature around the sample. It measures the stiffness of the material while it's flexing. And as it goes through what's called a glass transition temperature, that's where it goes from a very rigid, glassy-like state to a more elastic state of the polymer. So from that, we can measure glass transition temperature.
Our linex material, when we test under this DMA test, we got, what was the result, minus 40 degrees?
I believe that was the case, yeah.
Okay. So our materials remain flexible to minus 40 degrees. So our products will be able to withstand the use in very cold like Canada to very hot like Arizona. We have asked OCM to test our material under the water vapor transmissions. Our material is a lot tougher than our competition's. Therefore, it has a less tendency to absorb water into the material.
The chamber that we use to perform this test is actually it's a temperature humidity chamber. What we have here are trays that have water about halfway up in volume and the product being tested on top. These are weighed on an analytical balance. That weight change is indicative of how much water is able to transmit through a semi-permeable membrane.
For a material such as ours, we have a number of 0.49 to 0.75 value from this test. What would we say from a standard plastic spectrum? Is that a good number?
0.45 sounds like a very good number.
I'm standing in front of a QUV chamber. Bruce, can you please explain to us how this machine works and what we've done with our products?
Yeah, in the past we've subjected several different types of the linex materials to accelerated UV. This accelerates typically the factor of about 10 times normal outdoor exposure. What we have internally here are ultraviolet light sources. These are running UVA 340 spectrums. The chamber itself runs with cycles so that you can accelerate the UV, have the lights on, switch off the UV, and then go to high temperature and high humidity to try to simulate actual outdoor usage. The panels that we took from you and then subjected to these, they look great.
Bruce, thank you for walking us through your OCM laboratory.
You're welcome.
Thank you. As you can see, Linex is working with an independent outside laboratory to certify that we have a highest quality spray-on truck bed liner product in the marketplace.